1,314 days in New Holland, fear and greed sitting at 30, which is fear, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 61.1k. Still trading in the middle of the falling channel on a daily time frame. Finally trading above the 200 EMA on a daily time frame. Currently 50 and 100 EMA on a daily time frame is working for us as a resistance. Again, we had slight bump since yesterday, which is pretty nice on 4-hour time frame. 200 EMA is working for us as a resistance. We did broke the downtrend wedge and downtrend line on a 4-hour time frame. Currently having confirmation on that one, which is pretty nice. Again, 4-hour time frame is moving pretty fast, and currently 200 EMA is working for us as a resistance and other EMAs as a support. So that's pretty much daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. On a weekly time frame, we're having pretty good candle. Previous candle actually looking like a doji reversal. I'm pretty sure that's how it's called. Actually, if you're gonna look at July of 22, you can see it had the same doji reversal, but from the top. Now we're having pretty much the same, but from the bottom to the top, which is pretty nice. Again, pretty good candle we're seeing right now. On the monthly time frame, again, the current August, again, we're kind of in the middle of it, so there's plenty of time for this candle to have other outcome, but currently having a pretty good pattern there. Shadow is pretty big, meaning the dump is getting, sell is getting bought up pretty quickly. No changes on a monthly MACD. On a weekly, we're kind of flipping, kind of finishing the red zone, but again, that's the weekly, not that much. So yeah, we're gonna be keeping an eye on the falling channel on a daily time frame. We'll see how it's gonna. And Ethereum, no changes on Ethereum, pretty much having the same pump as a Bitcoin. When it comes to the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, again, Ethereum is slightly going down when it comes to that, and Bitcoin again testing second time 57.5% resistance. If it's gonna have a breakout confirmation, that would be pretty bullish for a Bitcoin, and because of that, because Bitcoin is pumping on a dominance, Ethereum dominance is going down also because of that. So yeah, we're gonna be keeping an eye on Ethereum, and on the Bitcoin we'll see what's gonna be evolving there. So let's move to the news again. In a couple of hours, in a couple of hours we're gonna have the CPI data. Again, a lot of expectations of 2.9 and 3%, so kind of in the middle of it. Our expectations are going, and again, if CPI inflation comes in at 2.9, meaning below the 3%, which is the current support kind of, or lower even, and again, there's no expectation 2.8, but 2.9 is kind of, and 3 is average of the current expectation from other big banks, etc. So if it go below 3%, it will mark the first month with inflation of the 3% since March of 2021. Again, that's like 3 years. That's a lot. So let's move to other news, which is coming from Kamala Harris. Again, it's mostly from Cointelegraph. So Kamala Harris may continue the Biden administration crypto crackdown, meaning because she didn't put her stance, they saying that's probably gonna be the same as Biden's. But again, Harris is preparing to unveil plans about her economic policy in a mid-August speech, meaning she probably will say something about crypto, because crypto is part of the economy nowadays. So we'll see what's gonna be her stance on crypto, if she even gonna say something about crypto. Again, probably if she's gonna be silent on crypto, probably gonna be the same as Biden administration plan. So other news coming from Senate. So Senate proposal for crypto tax exemption is long overdue. Four senators are fighting to exempt low-value crypto transactions from federal taxation, and congressional approval for the proposal is long overdue. Again, pretty good to have low value crypto transaction with as a tax exception would be pretty nice. Also, Arthur Hayes, which is the CEO of Bitfinex, I'm pretty sure, BitMEX. So he's saying he's predicting 100k Bitcoin, but by year end, expects a glorious crypto bull market in 2025 with BTC reaching $1 million. Again, that's really bullish expectation, but 100k is pretty good target for us to have. It's pretty average one nowadays, about $1 million. Again, the current BTC market cap is sitting at $1.2 trillion. That's gonna be like 15 trillion market cap or some. If you're gonna have 1 million, that's a lot. That's a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Bitcoin. We'll see how falling channel would evolve, if we're gonna have a breakout out of the middle of it, which would be pretty nice. But again, we're trading above the 200 EMA in a daily time frame, which is pretty bullish for us, pretty bullish thing to have. So yeah, to the moon.